is out. Don Enrico fast to begin. Imperial Valley sorry outside. Dalari inside. Balabushka. Then followed by Pandemonium. Indelible Link in the middle. Moving up on the outside. Anonymous. Unopposed second last. While Shining Pain is the early trailer. As they lead the straight, Don Enrico by about 3 lengths. And in second, moving up now is Indelible Link. Imperial Valley dress back in third. Balabushka is racing in fourth. Moving up on the outside, Anonymous, then followed by Pandemonium, Shining Pain. And Unopposed in that order as they swing down the bank. Don Enrico by about 2.5 lengths. Then here comes Indelible Link. Now coming closer in second. Imperial Valley in third. Anonymous is racing in fourth. Balabushka fifth. Moving up Shining Pain, Pandemonium, and Unopposed. As the riders now start to make their moves inside the press of Tava. We have Don Enrico. Indelible Link is farther. Imperial Valley now coming closer in third. Anonymous still for Balabushka. As they come to the last 200. Is still in control. And that is Don Enrico. Moving up on the outside. Imperial Valley. Indelible Link is running farther. Last 150. And that is still Enrico. Imperial Valley second. Indelible Link. And finally, 2 is not a fluke for Don Enrico. Second Imperial Valley. Indelible Link. Then comes Shining Pain.
Yun nga, sabi ng race caller natin, it's not a fluke.
Oh,
It's not a fluke.
it's not a fluke.
Parang sunod para dito kay Don Enrico.
2 is not a fluke.
Mm.
Wow, 139.8 ang ginawang prueba para sa Milya with quarters of 24, 23 and a half, 24 and a half, and finishing at 27 and a half. Talagang naghahamon na.
Oo nga.
Talagang